name is Dean Regas. I'm the astronomer at the Cincinnati Observatory, and really happy to talk to you about this summer activity we've got in this booklet about constellations. Now, constellations are those pictures that people make out of the stars up there. They connect the dots on the stars and make all sorts of things like kings, queens, animals, rivers, battles, whole sorts of things. But you need a lot of imagination, and we got a great activity to help you use your imagination and your artistic ability. So if you have your Discover Summer booklet, you can open it up to the inside here on something called Make Your Own Constellation. And with this, you can connect the dots that are over here on this picture, connect the stars, and make all sorts of things. What do you see there? Ooh, I see all sorts of stuff. So you can connect the dots there, connect the stars, and draw all sorts of pictures. But we can also do this if you don't have the booklet, you can make it up yourself. So one way you can do it is take your favorite animal, your favorite pet here. So I drew a little bunny rabbit, and you can put the stars on the bunny rabbit however you'd like. So I've got my star stickers here, and well, let's see, I like purple stars, so I'm gonna start with that. And we need a star for his eyeball. There we go, purple star there. We'll go for a red star because stars come in all sorts of colors. And then we can get some for his feet, something like that. We'll get another red star for his other foot. And then we'll make, let's go some orange stars here. Put one for his back there. And then we need a yellow star, we'll put that for his tail. Oh, and of course, cannot forget his ears. So we can put one up there. And I'll give him 2 blue ears, how about that? There we go. And that looks like a pretty good constellation, but with one more little addition, we got to get a little nose for him. So there we go. So that's one way you can create your own constellation. If you draw it ahead of time, just use some chalk on some black construction paper, and then you can put the stars in however you like. Well, so that's all you have to do to make up your own constellation, except to make it even better, you should be able to create a story about your constellation. Tell its origin, where it came from, all the adventures it went on, anything that you want to add to it. It's a lot of fun to make up your own stories, and you're doing exactly what people have been doing for thousands of years when they look up at the stars. So we'd love to have you come over and visit us at the Cincinnati Observatory. We have lots of events in person and online. Just go to our website, www.cincinnatiobservatory.org, and make sure to pick up your booklet or make up your own constellation and story this summer.
Get free arts and crafts videos with your library card.